Hey guys, it's SHIRAAZ and welcome to my new channel. So a couple of things before I start up in my YouTube career is I'm gonna do it in English. I know I am Mauritian, I speak several languages, so if ever I'm changing languages I'm gonna have it on subtitles below.
Just Asian.
But it's gonna be in English so more people can understand what I'm saying. Not because I'm trying to act out to English, even if I'm New York City. I am still Mauritian to the core. For those who don't know, Mauritius is like this tiny island off the east coast of Madagascar. Beautiful place. For those who know me, I've been a very liberal person since high school. Coming to New York City, I've become even more liberal in certain aspects and more conservative in other, and that made me grow into a better person from my perspective. And I want to show that via YouTube videos. I think it would help people view life on a different lens, because New York City is amazing, different people from all over the world. If there are Mauritians out there who are in countries that have different culture than Mauritius, you guys should do a video response to mine. If you're in Australia, China, India, Pakistan, Canada, Africa, do a video response because I want to see how it is there. So if you guys like it, let me know if you want to see, what you want to see, who do you want me to collab with, what you liked, why you hated it. Like, subscribe, comments, any suggestion you have in the comment section below, because I want to know how I can improve this. I want to make Mauritius visible on the social sphere. So yeah, let's begin. Click here for the new video. Somewhere over here. Bye!